Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. This is the one we call the Appalachian cabin. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think it is stunning. Look at them beautiful handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Look at these steps. It goes up to the loft. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath cabin plus the loft, making it a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You can also upgrade and add a bathroom in the loft area to make it a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Beautiful structure, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. I love this 20-foot high ceiling. It just makes the whole place feel massive, you know? I'm a tall fella, so I love a high ceiling. I'm 6'6". So if you like what you see, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Ask for OC. AmishBuiltCabins.com. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like, share, and follow button, and please comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one, because I think it is gorgeous, but I'd love to get some feedback from you guys, because my opinion don't matter. You guys' does. So let me know something, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for tuning in. Beautiful. 812-595-4033. That's my number. 812-595-4033. Y'all be blessed. All right, let's do a little walkthrough video here. This is the one that we call the Carrot Top cabin. 14 by 28 with a 6-foot by 28-foot front porch. Got your open concept living room there. Comes with your handcrafted kitchen cabinets. Got your beautiful knotty pine floors. Just a beautiful little cabin. Okay, very livable. You got a spot here to put in your tub, toilet, and sink. Got a little nook there for your pew-pews or your closet. You could fit a queen-size bed or full-size bed over here. Beautiful. Got all kinds of natural light coming in. Got your sliders right here for the bathroom door. Just a beautiful little cabin. Again, we ship them nationwide. These are built by the Amish. I guess I got to keep this under 3 minutes, or old Instagram and TikTok and all that won't share the content. So let me walk outside real quick and film what it looks like from the outside. You got you a beautiful 6-foot by 28-foot front covered porch. So very livable. Get your grill out, bring out a couple of chairs, rocking chairs, and just chillax out here. The porch system does fold down for transportation. All the railings go in, bottom of the porch folds up. And let me show you what this beautiful cabin looks like from the outside here. We call it the Carrot Top because this one's got the orange roof on it. And there you go. That's what it looks like, guys. Give us a call today, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. We can do small ones like this, or there's the big BERTHA 3.0, the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0, El Chapo Muchacho 2.0, the ADU. We got the shipping container home. Got a little assortment on here right now, but I just wanted to show a little love and attention to the Carrot Top real quick. Give us a call, guys. Again, 812-595-4033. Let's get you a cabin on your land.
Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model park, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm gonna get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm gonna talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so relaxed. But we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that They made upgrades with the countertops. This is the quartz countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we
Yes.
didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But
Yep.
some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy.
Very handy. Can't go
Yes.
wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over
Okay.
here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have two stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
there's
And there's more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another
More
closet
storage.
here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then, again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah,
is
just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue
Very
concept,
cool.
which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation,
Yeah,
in
it
this.
feels truly like home. Or I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
investment if you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. The walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right? Top of the
Yes.
line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the
And all
colors.
the windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom we just showed, this is your bedroom over here.
electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your
Absolutely.
windows. Again, windows galore, guys. From the top of the ceiling to the bottom, you see all those
Also
windows.
like
The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well.
Absolutely.
And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the
I'm not sure what that is.
cedar trim. All right, guys, let's just say you're looking for a small cabin, 2-bed, 1-bath, move-in ready. This one here is a excellent choice Let's walk inside. I love it because you got that little 6 foot by 8 foot front porch. See that? Little 6 by 8 front porch. We can make the porch bigger if you want to pay for a bigger porch kit. And then you got your D-log siding and your 40-year 26 gauge metal roof, double pane windows. Let's take you inside and show you this pretty cabin real quick. There's your little porch. Okay, you walk inside and voila. Again, you got your beautiful knotty pine. We painted this wall here and just to give it a little accent wall, but it is the knotty pine underneath of it. So we got a couple accent walls for knotty pine, and then you got your regular knotty pine here. So kind of break up the wood a little bit. Okay, you go back here, you got a bedroom here where you could easily put a bunk bed for the kiddos, or this will fit a full or queen bed. So there's bedroom number 1. You got your mini split back there for your heating and cooling. You got a spot here for your stove, microwave. There's your beautiful kitchen cabinets. Over here you got a spot for your dishwasher, right? And then as you go down the hallway, you got your tub, toilet, and sink. That's a full tub. Put your mirror back there. Come on down. You got your stackable washer and dryer connections over here. Like I said, everything you need. And then you got another mini split here. Natural light there. Closet. There's your 200 amp electrical panel. And then you open this closet. Use part of it as a closet and part of it, we can either do a tankless water heater if you want more closet space, or put a full-blown water heater in there. So again, if you're looking for a RV park model, this is a beautiful one. Give us a call and let's make it happen. Okay, we call this one the El Poco Loco. 2 bed, 1 bath. We can also do it as a 1 bed, 1 bath. Okay, just a beautiful Amish built cabin. This one you can get for $79,900. So right under 80K. You can come pick it up yourself or arrange for us to ship it to you. Again, $79,900 is the price of this one, fully loaded. As far as, you know, like what you see here. So it comes with your mini splits for heating and cooling, your water heater, and just like what you see here, ready to roll. You just put your appliances in it and you're off and running. Or you can pay a little extra, we'll put the appliances in it for you. Okay, y'all have a blessed day. Come back and see us, AmishBuiltCabins.com. The phone number is 1-800-513-1675. Again, that's 1-800-513-1675.